This video is about how do I plug my new SCIO device in. So we start from the back and plug the connecting wire into this socket, like so, and into the portal on your laptop or a computer. Mine is back here. Then you take the limb wires and roll and plug into the limb socket here, and the headband, which gets plugged into the head socket beneath it. And then you press this button on the back of the device to put it on. And you are ready to start placing the bands onto your client who is going to be receiving.